So when I go to the store to buy my fabric, I only have enough money to buy 1 3/4 feet of fabric. And so when I go to the counter to do that, she's going to measure out that 1 3/4 feet. So here I've got this piece of fabric, and I need to cut 1 3/4 feet of that fabric. So I have 1 feet here, so I can have that 1 foot, and then I need that 3/4 of a foot. So I have 1/4 here, 1/2 here, and then 3/4 here. So I'm going to need to cut my fabric right in this location. So this is the amount of fabric that I have. This piece is cut off. So I no longer have this piece of fabric. So I have this 1 3/4. So 1 feet, 1 2 3/4 of a foot. Okay. So to make my ribbons, each ribbon needs 1/2 feet sections of fabric to make one ribbon. So how many ribbons could I make with this piece of 1 3/4 feet of fabric? So let's take a look at that, and we can repeatedly subtract out those half size pieces. Okay, so from this 1 foot, I have a half size piece here. From this section of fabric, this 3/4 of a piece of fabric, I have a half size section here. And so I know I can repeatedly subtract out those 1/2 sections of fabric to make ribbons. So I take this piece and I cut it so I can make a ribbon with that piece. I take this piece and I cut it and I can make a ribbon. I take this half piece and I cut it to make a ribbon. And then I have this leftover piece here, okay? This half of a half is what I have. Half of a half. And so now I know I can make 3 1/2 ribbons.